putting us on some big old alligator gar. Shot a couple 4-footers. Missed a big old 5. Wayne missed a big old 5-footer. Maybe a 7-footer was big, man. This one. Old Darryl, he's fast on the fly. Well, he drives and he shoots. Gets it done.
How big was that one I shot?
Huh?
How big was the one I shot?
How big was the one he shot? You? Probably 4 foot. 3.5, 4 foot? No? Then last night, Kai took us out. And, oh, did you see what the hell that was over there? That was big, whatever it was. I don't know what it was. Over there, where that ripple is. I don't know what the hell. Weird. Kai took us out with his thermal drone, pig hunt, and we let him rip. Sunshine, let about 25 rounds out. I think he shot more dirt than he did anything else, but it was a good time. Good time. It was pretty wild. Really cool down with these southern boys, man. They've treated us really good, taking us out, having a good old time before we get out here to Texas and do the last bit of racing for the season with a no prep elite. It's beautiful down here. Oh, good, man. Oh, great. Glad you can hear me. It says slow connection on the bottom, so outside New Orleans area pops in again there. Slow connection. Hope y'all can hear me. I hope Snakehead snatches you up and pulls you under. Thanks, Lee. Appreciate that. There ain't no snakeheads. Hey, there's snakeheads down here? Huh? There's snakeheads down here, right? No. Nah, they would get eaten up. There's snakeheads down here. That's up north. Oh, no, no. Oh, it's a good time, man. It's a super fun time. Needlefish. Hang on there, boys.
Put that bitch in 4-wheel drive.
Big old needlefish. What'd you get? Oh, there's one right there. Follow. Ken Bucket, we're in Louisiana, down in Slidell. We're on a Darryl bird excursion. It's a pretty old boat. Got it all grassed up. All the stuff done recently. Hooked his boat up. Got his LS back there, powering it. Good old LS. Good old trusty LS. What you got? What you got? On a little needle bit. Oh! Stephen, Kyle, Ashley. You know them? It's their hometown. Stephen, Kyle, Ashley. Giant carp for fun? Yeah. This man shoots some carp and all that back home. I haven't seen any carp. Man, it's only 9:30. We've all already shot some good fish.
It's all gator.
It's a blast, Ken. Yeah, I've seen only one gator. Wherever he took us last time, Christ, there was gators everywhere. Where were we at last time?
Venice.
Venice, Christ, gators everywhere. Look at that crab right there. Shallow right here. Shallow water like this. In the real shallow water, there's not a lot of big ones. Here we go. Oh, there was one over there. mile.
Watch it happen. 250 mile an hour, dude.
All right, guys. See y'all.